It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Hey Spirit Boosters, welcome back to Miss JENITA's channel. I appreciate all of you who watched my previous video, and told me that you're still a Spirit Booster. I love it, I love it, I love it. Love you, because that is terrific support. Thank you so much, thank you so much. At least I know who is really watching my videos, because if you heard that somewhere in the middle or end, that means you watched my video in order to hear that part. But I appreciate it. If you don't watch the whole video, just hit the thumbs up button. That is so much appreciated. I don't know why people have a problem with hitting that like button or just saying hello. You ain't got the courage, the guts, the nerves, the audacity. You feeling froggy? As they say, you can't come over here and acknowledge that you've been here by just an emoji. What's up with that? You're way, way behind the camera somewhere. You shouldn't be nervous at all just to say hello or leave an emoji. Spirit boosters, do your job. Show your support. Encourage other spirit boosters to come on through and over here and support Miss JENITA channel. And even if you don't, happy holidays, season greetings to you, and happy spirit boosting to you anyway. It's all good, I promise you. But today I'm back sharing again some more groceries that I'm still picking up bits and ends for the holidays, because you dang right, I like to eat, and I'm gonna have me enough food over here for Thanksgiving to enjoy. If I'm still here, if Lord willing, I'm still here, and I can still afford to pay my bills and share with you guys what the heck going on my end of the world, I will do it. So what we got here today, I got my salt-free top crackers, 2 boxes, and holiday eating with my cheese. Remember I showed y'all I had the Baby Bell cheese. Now today I got my Gouda, and I got my Baby Bell sharp cheese, and I got the Baby Bell Gouda. I love that what is it, the smoke flavored Gouda too. That's good. And you know, cheese and crackers for the holidays. I got my red onion to make a beautiful salad for the holiday. And I did get me some lettuce, some cucumbers, some green onions. That's all in this area. And over here, I got me some Hass avocados, and they almost on their way to ripen. I got me a couple of papayas. I'm about to bust open one. Papaya is so dang good. I like it as well as I like the what is it, the prickly pear. Y'all know Patricia, the garden Patricia. She also has a crafting channel, y'all. I hope you guys checked it out. She grows prickly pears. I bought some prickly pears out of the grocery store, and they have a like a watermelon-y, but not quite watermelon, fruity watermelon hint flavored. They are delicious, but I'm scared of them so much because, you know, they got them it's a prickly pear, so you got when pricking, because it got them spines on there, them needles on there. And I had got a couple of them in my finger when I bought them from the store, and that's what discouraged me from getting them, because I don't want to be pricked anymore. But they're so good. I'm even scared to buy them if they have them, you know, already cut up and prepped and put in a container and sell them. I'll still be thinking some of those dang needles are still on there, in there somewhere, and they'll get in my throat, and I would be terrified of a needle in my freaking throat. So anyway, I would love to have it, but it would be the nerve for me to even go back to try. Ooh, but they're so good. But it's just those needles that discourage me from eating those prickly pears as often as I would like to, because they are good. Now, I was saying all that to say the papaya has its own distinct flavor too, but when they go bad, they stink. Oh, they stink bad. But when they're fresh and they're ripe, they are so tasty. It has a unfamiliar, I can't give any words to explain the flavor of the papaya, but all I can say is good. It has a good flavor. It's not like watermelon, it's not like cantaloupe, even though it's a cantaloupe texture inside, and it comes with all those little black seeds in there. But it's very, I guess you could say, semi-fruity flavor too. It's a good, let me just say fruity. Let me describe it in a fruity way, because fruity means delicious. Fruity is good. So it's a really, really good papaya. If you never tried papaya, try and get you a nice ripe one, because you'll know if you have a bad one, because it'll taste spoiled and it'll taste really nasty. But if you have a fresh one, it was so good. You would really, really enjoy a papaya salad. I think I'm going to put some papaya in my Honey Nut Cheerios. But y'all, okay. Y'all see this? This is the side-by-side refrigerator freezer. Can't nothing else get up in here. And the freezer over there, can't nothing else get in there either. This thing is packed. I'm glad that the air can circulate underneath the bottom of the bin down there. From the top to the bottom, just circulate around. Because other than that, it's not good to really have your freezer so stacked. This kind of refrigerator freezer, but the chest freezers and upright freezers, you could do that, but not this one. You got to be careful so air can circulate around it. Okay, so this is my refrigerator freezer packed. Okay, y'all, this is the chest freezer. Wait, I should have it turned this way. It needs defrosting. But what my point is, I'm sharing with you guys, the thing is stuffed and packed. Underneath the few packages of stuff that you see on top, it has a bunch of meat up under there. So I can't get no turkey in here, and I can't get a turkey in my refrigerator freezer. So this is what I want to share with y'all. I can't get a turkey right now. I'm gonna have to wait a day. Let me see. A day before or 2 days before Thanksgiving and go get me a turkey and just put it in the refrigerator. But I'm going to have to clean the refrigerator, a section out of the refrigerator, in order to set the turkey in there. So we're blessed to have food and things like that. It is a blessing. Don't take your blessings for granted, y'all. Enjoy. Enjoy, because there's people out there that still don't have nothing. Okay, Spirit Boosters, that concludes this video. Sharing is caring, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments. If you don't watch the video, just give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Have a blessed one, and I'll see you in the next. We all busy. Just Miss JENITA busy. Bye, y'all. I almost forgot to share. The Democrats have taken over the Senate. Hopefully we get some of these bills passed, especially for voting right laws. I'm so happy, and hopefully we get the House, if possible, so that we can make some great changes, and all the craziness and the madness is put to rest for a while anyway, while things get back to normal. Hopefully they can change the ruling on that Abortion Right Act, so women don't have to have their rights being ruled by allegedly men telling women what to do with their bodies. Hopefully all that mess can be, reversed and taken care of. Y'all, appreciate all y'all that went out there and voted, because it made a difference. And with the Senate, hope these bills get passed. And ladies and gentlemen, they give you the rights back, because this is a ridiculous thing, having laws that tell people what to do with their own body. All right, y'all. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit